Welcome to this episode of On Photography. In this episode, we're going to take a look at this new mic I got in. So I was looking for a cheap and cheerful audio solution to my cell phone recording needs, and I think I found it in this guy. Well, at least I'm hoping so. So I had looked at the Rode mics and things like that, which this is a knockoff of. And I didn't want to pay that much money, but I wanted something similar in performance, so I went ahead and I tried this guy. So let's do a bit of an unboxing. Now, this is the Boya, I'll spit it out here, universal cardioid microphone. So it's compatible with iPhones, tablets, computers, cameras, well, just about one of everything. It's going to be interesting to see what type of connector this has. I really don't know. I figured it's worth giving it a shot. I've got tons of connectors. The nice thing about this is, too, no batteries, so no power. Compact on camera. It does have a cold shoe mount. Rugged metal construction. Professional furry windshields included. So you get a dead cat go over top of the mic. Polar pattern, so it's a cardioid. General frequency response, signal to noise, all this looks in general good. So, comes from Shenzhen. It's got to be good, right? Anyways, let's go ahead. Let's open this guy up. It comes in a nice package. So we kind of pop it open and let's see what kind of prize we have inside. So, definitely see the dead cat. That's a pretty good size one. And wow, looks like we got a lot of parts here, folks. A lot of parts. So we've got the bracket, which is plastic, not surprising, and the mount's plastic. So it looks like it's also got a 1/4-20. So it's got to mount to a hot or cold shoe here. Obviously, it's going to be a cold shoe functionality. And that's kind of cool. And I'm assuming that when we take the mic out of here, wow, the dead cat is actually pretty heavy. And it's kind of got a rubber banded type thing to fit over it, but this is fairly heavy. And here's the general mic element. So you have the mic and a connector here, and then what it does is just pops in here, and it does have a fairly tight fit. So I don't want to break the plastic because I just got it. Woo! That takes a little bit of force to get in there, which means it's going to take a little bit of force to get out. So let's go ahead and let's put that here. Comes with some instructions, but we don't need those. So here's the mic piece. Now the interesting thing is this might work directly because it's got 4 instead of 3 on there. And then it comes with a little bit longer version, but now this one only has 3 on here to work directly with the cell phone without an adapter. Requires 4, so this one appears to have 4, so that one might hook directly. And then it comes with its little obligatory bag to store it in. So let's set this off here. So my understanding would be, well, I'll tell you what, let's break down, look at the instructions and see if they say anything in here. So yep, just as I figured, the right angle plugs into the microphone. This piece plugs into your phone. So where it's got the 2, it's even labeled on here. I didn't even have to look at the instructions. It even says microphone. And the other one says smartphone. So this is good. So this means I won't need an adapter. And that means it plugs right in. And then I can take this and I can just plug it into, in this case, my older iPhone 5S. And I now have a solution. So if I start, let's just do some video, and we'll start the video recording, and this is the video testing 1 2 3. So I'm testing this mic. I lost the video from the bench test, so I'm creating another to insert so you can have a sample of the audio. So this is what this mic sounds like connected to the iPhone 5S. This audio onto this clip so you can kind of see how this mic sounds versus the mic that's on the studio camera here. So anyways, I've got this recording, and you can see the dead cat goes over top of this. Now I have a mount that this phone actually goes into, and what happens is I'll mount the microphone on top of it like that. I don't have the mount here on the bench. This was pretty economical. I think it was around 30 bucks. I got it off of eBay out of China, Shenzhen. And again, it looks like a knockoff of one of the Rode microphones. So I'm hoping the quality, and again, I'm kind of flipping this around a little bit so you get a little bit different experience, because see how it sounds. So hopefully this works out well. And anyways, just wanted to share this with you, because if you guys are looking for something like this, or you've seen this on eBay and you've wondered, will it work directly with the phone? The answer is yes. It also comes with a nicer cable like this, but this will only plug into like a camcorder or something that takes a standard, ground and 2 input connector, or you'll have to use that with an adapter with a smartphone. So anyways, I've been recording for a few minutes. I'm going to cut this off and just go back. But I like this because one of the big things, I want to do some vlogging when I travel, and this will be a nice little setup because I plan on using the iPhone 5S to do this. So anyways, I'll have the link for this down below, so if you're interested in picking up one of these or seeing what it looks like on eBay, I'll have the link. And if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.